Hi, it's Mike McCarthy here from Takapuna Cricket and Kookaburra Cup. This video is all about what's happening this Saturday, so if you can listen to this, that'll be great. You've also received an email from me that I've just sent out, which is confirming your child's registration for this year's Kookaburra Cup. There are a few details that you do need to check, so if you can do that and make sure we've got your details correctly, in particular the right school and the cap number. Now, this Saturday between 12 and 1, I'm down at the club and I've got some playing caps here. So for those new members to Kookaburra Cup, you need to come and collect your caps. You can do this tomorrow or prior to the start of the season when the shirts are in. They're coming in around about the 28th. But more importantly, one thing that is key to playing, especially in the competition grade, is that you need to be able to bowl. That is getting the ball down to the other end so that the batter can play. Now there are quite a few newbies here, and regardless of whether you're in the smash play or the competition grade, what I've got here is between 12 and 1, I'm going to have a few coaches down here to give you some free bowling tips. And also I've got some resources that you can use to take home, practice in the driveway, the backyard, or down the hallway. I've got some balls here, which is the balls that we use in the competition grade. They retail for just over $15 of the Kookaburra Super Ball, Super Soft Ball, and I've also got a limited amount of stumps here. So if you flick us $20 cash, you can take away a new ball and some stumps, and take away a new drill and practice your bowling before we start cricket. Otherwise, if we don't see you on Saturday, look forward to catching up with you on the 4th of November when we start Kookaburra Cup on Friday down here at Oniwa Domain. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.